Do not buy 12 Tribes on Earth hair growth oil and hair magic elixir unless you want super healthy, gorgeous hair that grows. They have a whole line of amazing hair growth products, including hair growth leave-in conditioner spray, hair growth shampoo, hair growth spray, and hair growth butter. I'm starting to sense a theme here. They include quality natural ingredients. They smell amazing, and you can see the results for yourself. So if you're looking for healthy hair growth for your natural or relaxed hair, try 12 Tribes on Earth today.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be a very turbulent week. Yes, it is. Three big storms will be hitting the United States this week. Who's going to be impacted? Over 40 million people will be impacted. So it's a series of winter storms that will bring snow, ice, and heavy rains to millions of people across the United States this week. Few states will be spared. Parts of more than 40 states are expected some snow. As early as Monday, winter snow watches and warnings were in effect in many states. Cities including Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York, Boston, Detroit, Chicago, Milwaukee, Des Moines, Omaha, and Denver, as well as Kansas City, Missouri, and Topeka, Kansas, will probably all receive snow and ice this week. I know one thing. When I woke up Sunday morning, I looked outside and I saw icicles hanging. It was really cold out, very cold. So I know if that was a precursor of what's to come, I already saw the preview. A late week storm might bring significant rain and snow to the west with the potential of life-threatening debris flows in areas recently devastated by wildfires. So the ground is very unstable in those parts of LA County that was ravished by wildfires. So it would not take much for the land to give way. And that is what they're warning. And in the deep south, where many states have been more than 10 degrees above average this month, unseasonably warm temperatures could be interrupted by strong to severe thunderstorms on Wednesday and Thursday. For those with travel plans or anyone wondering whether they will get a snow day, well, you could. You could. The first storm will arrive Tuesday into Wednesday. The week's first major storm will begin a narrow swath of snow from northern Omaha to New York, Long Island from Tuesday into Wednesday. So they said potential for moderate to locally heavy amounts of snow in the mid-Atlantic. A quarter of snow will cross the wide area Tuesday into Wednesday from northern Oklahoma to Long Island, including far southern Kansas, southern Missouri, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, southern Ohio, northern Kentucky, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Washington, Virginia, western North Carolina, Delaware, New Jersey, far southern New York, far southern New England. Freezing rain will fall in western Virginia and western North Carolina. Now, y'all remember the people that were devastated by the hurricane? Those people are still not living in homes. They are in tents, they're in makeshift homes. That's why there were a few saying many are not going to make it through the winter. How much so? The snowfall from the storm will be the heaviest from northern Kentucky into the mid Atlantic, with totals of 3 to 6 inches are expected to be common. More than 6 inches could fall in a narrow zone from southeastern West Virginia into northern Virginia and south of District of Columbia. Lesser amounts are expected west of Kentucky, where milder temperatures will reduce the chance for widespread accumulations on roads. And in the Northeast, school operations may be disrupted by the weather on Tuesday and or Wednesday from Kentucky to Delaware, where snow days, early dismissals, and delays may be called. Road conditions will gradually deteriorate around the nation's capital during the second half of Tuesday, especially after a nightfall, with Interstate 64, 81, and 95 and the Beltway expected to be affected. Flight delays and cancellations may occur. The highest impact expected will be in northern Kentucky, far southern Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, Washington, Virginia, Delaware, and southern New Jersey. So, a second storm is expected Wednesday into Thursday. An area of accumulating snow will extend around 2,000 miles from Colorado to Maine from Wednesday into Thursday, affecting several states that have experienced below average snowfall so far this season, such as Nebraska and Iowa. Sleet and freezing rain could cause icy conditions across parts of the southern plains, Midwest, Mid Atlantic, and Northeast. Compared to the first storm, it won't be as cold in the eastern Mid Atlantic, meaning that it will be rainy rather than snowy in Washington. So, y'all, that is the second storm. Wow. The third storm will occur between Friday through Sunday. The third storm is expected ashore in California on Thursday, bringing heavy rains. Yeah, you have that atmospheric river hitting California. So they're saying on Thursday, that's when the heavy rain will begin to the coast and valleys, including areas of Southern California recently devastated by wildfires. Yeah, y'all. Don't be surprised if you start hearing about landslides and mudslides, and this is not going to be a good situation for them because that debris can be life threatening, for real. Late Sunday, the National Weather Service in Los Angeles, debris flows in and below recent burn scars. The rain will continue in coastal California from Thursday into Friday, while the snow develops across the Intermountain West. Snowfall totals in California, Sierra Nevada will probably be measured in feet. Significant accumulations are also possible in Nevada, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado by late Friday. From late Friday into Saturday, the storm is forecast to slide into the plains and Midwest, probably bringing snow from Kansas to Michigan. Many of the same states are expected to receive snow during the second storm. The storm will continue to trek east later Saturday into Sunday, bringing potential snow and ice into the Northeast once again. Behind the storm, a frigid air mass may flow across the country, briefly pressing pause on the highly unsettled weather pattern. A supercharged jet stream, driven by strong temperatures, difference between north to south, has been fueling this month's storms. If you're tired of the cold and snow and you're ready for spring-like conditions, weather warm enough to wear shorts, you'll need to head south. Well, y'all, that don't sound very good. We're not taking a direct hit because that polar vortex is back. And that's another reason why you're seeing this crazy weather pattern. And, this time around where I am, we took a direct hit the last time. And man, it was miserable, because on top of the cold air from it, we had wind. It seemed like it was windy every day for an entire month. It was absolutely crazy. I have never seen nothing like it before in my life where you don't see the winds diminish. They just keep growing stronger and stronger each day. So we're not taking a direct hit, but we are still getting some of the effects of it. But y'all be careful out here because this is no joke. Now, they're saying the locations of highest impact is southern Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa, northern Missouri, northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, northern Indiana, Michigan, Pennsylvania, western Maryland, western Virginia, northern New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, and Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Newfoundland in Canada. So those are going to be the most heaviest impact from the third round of the storm. I mean, 3 major storms hitting in 1 week. Can't make it up, y'all. But please let me know what you think and let me know if you're in any of the states that I mentioned. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.